Okay, guys, so today we'll be doing the evaluation 7 and let's get started. So, the first question says, what request method does this line of code below allow? So, majorly, after declaring this, we are supposed to put in the request method we want this route to allow. So, when the person hits this slash test, right? This endpoint, they should be able to get different method, probably a post, a delete, a put. So when it is not stated, it is defaultly a get request. Okay, so you're just getting something. It means you can't post something to this route, you can't update, you can't delete. Okay, so that's that. What is the name of the HTTP header that defines the size in bytes of a message body? That should be content length. So for this one, we have content length. So what is the symbol to redirect to standard error? That's two. This. So this one is a bitwise operation. That is, it should left shift by one, and left shift by one will just be that should be times two of this, and that would be, it's like multiply by 2, and right shift is like divide by 2. What are the characteristics of a RESTful API? A RESTful API is stateless, it's client and server based, layered system, uniform interface, and cacheability, but extendable is not among the option of a RESTful API. So that should be it, and let's go to the next one. So what is the output of the following piece of code? We have I to be declared as 10, right? So is I less than 20? Yes, it is. So it's going to want to print I, but now it's printing I modulo through 2. What is 10 divided by 2? What is the remainder? 0. So the first answer is 0. The second time, the 10 has increased to 11. 11 divided by 2, what is the remainder? It remains 1, so it's 0, 1. So the next time 12, so every even number will be 0, every odd number will be 1. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1. So it's going to be this one. So what is a web framework? A web framework is a software, right, that is designed, is a software that is designed to support the development of web application. What does this line print? So we have this line, a user. Normally user should collect a parameter which is name, but name is not given here, and here name is given as none. So if the name is not none, then we should give it the name. But if it is, nothing is declared for name, um, then I think it's going to have the class name u.name, which is no name. So in the following URL, what is the subdomain? The subdomain here is API. This is the root domain, and this is the subdomain. What is the call option -v-x that defines the HTTP? So we have that. What is the space complexity of the function algorithm? So for this one, for this function algorithm, this one is big O of log n. Let me see, big O of log n, and let's see, function algorithm, and that should be O of nm, because we have nm here. So what is allocate map? Yes. Yeah, that should be big O of NM. Submit. What is the status code for server error? That's 5xx. What does this code print? So we have it's printing whatever is passed. That's 4. 4 will be printed first and it's being reduced till if 4 is greater than 0. Still the number is okay, you should print it. So it's going to print 4, print 3, print like that. 4, 3, 2, 1. What's the time complexity of a binary search? That should be 0 log n. What does CORS mean? That's cross origin resource sharing. Cross origin resource sharing. Cross origin resource sharing. That should be this. And what is in order transversal? So for this one, the left subtree rather is visited. It's visited first, then the root, left root, and later the right. So left root and later the right subtree. So what is the status code for a permanent? That's 301. So when we are typing this in the browser, which HTTP verb is used? This till a GET request. Okay, I think we are done now. And we can check our answer to see if you're correct.